Hello, friend.
Today we will draw a turtle. Let's start.
Turtles are reptiles known for their hard shells, which protect their bodies. They live both in water and on land. There are two main types: turtle and tortoises.
Turtles can live for a very long time, some over 100 years. They lay eggs, usually on sandy beaches. They are cold-blooded and slow movers. They pull their head and legs into their shell for safety. They don't have teeth but have strong beaks to bite and chew food. A turtle's shell has 13 large plates like a puzzle. Sea turtles live in the ocean. Freshwater turtles live in ponds, rivers and lakes. Tortoises live on land.
Yes sir, 3 bags full.
Goodbye.